Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zaid Hassan. I want to talk about F3, which is an exam for ACCA. I passed it in 20 days. Let me show you how. Finally passed my exam. Let me tell you how I aced my F3 exam in 20 days. But let me tell you that I did my O levels and A levels in accounting, business, economics, and that is how my information and knowledge to F3, which is the financial management paper, is good. Yeah, for my studying material and course, I used Kaplan. I know this could look very scary, but you have to go through this. Alongside this, you will also need an exam kit, which is also for Kaplan F3. And let's start off with the basic study material, which is we have almost 22 chapters in this one, and the first few four chapters are prior to FA1 and FA2, and right after that we have chapter 5, which is returns, discount, and sales tax, then inventory, and chapter 7, 8, and 9 are the same thing. Then chapter 10, 11 are almost the same thing. The main thing about this course is you need to practice it, and that is the key. Otherwise, you're doomed. You will only understand the true essence of the chapters when you understand the concept of it, and you will have to get into the technicalities of the language that is used in the exam kit. Only and until then you will understand what the question really requires from you, and you have to answer that. But there is one trick to it that I will tell you, which could help you answer the few questions, but it is not recommended. I know it can be very hard at first to understand the financial chapters, and it can be very overwhelming, but you don't have to worry about it. I mean, it could be hard at first to understand the topics and everything, but trust me, all you have to do is understand what you're going through, especially when it comes to the theory part. We do have a website for it, I have found that, and as soon as you get enrolled into my course, I will teach you the crux of it and the tips and tricks in order to enroll and understand the language of the question. And apart from that, I will make you understand the concept of it so that it is easier for you to solve a question when it is there. And it is very much necessary for you to understand the concept of it, because the next paper is going to be F7. I would recommend you to take F7 right after F3 because it is an advanced version of it. So it will thoroughly help you out. F3 has been divided into three parts: the theoretical part, which are MCQs, the multiple choice questions, the MCQs for calculations, and the MTQs. And the division for them right now is 35% of the exam is from the theoretical questions, 35% of them is from the MCQs calculation version, and the rest 30% is divided into multiple task questions, which are 2 in number, and there is no choice. So you will have to attempt the question in that manner. And the theoretical part has become very important recently, and the reason for that is for you to understand, especially the international standards, the concept behind the principles, and the entire crux of it. And that is why you need to understand the theoretical part. The calculation will come in handy, and the multiple task questions are also not very difficult for you to attempt until or unless you have understood the concept of the topic or the question or the language of the question. I mean, because most certainly I am here to help you out, and for that all you have to do is go to the link in the description and you will find my email, and all you have to do is type an email and tell me what your problems are. And for now I will be teaching F1 the business management and F3 the financial management for now. And if you want me to teach you and teach you the tips and tricks of F1 and F3, it won't be free, but I won't charge you so much that you won't be able to pay. Thank you very much. At the end of the video, I'd like to tell you that it is not hard to reach me. I have my Instagram and my email linked in the description below. All you have to do is type in your query and ask me, send me a message, and I'll be there to help you as much as possible. And if you are willing to enroll in my courses, you have an option for that as well. All you have to do is type in your query and we'll get along. Also, if you live in Pakistan and you're looking for good t-shirts, especially round necks, so all you have to do is find them in the link in description below. It's called Cotton Fruit, and they have really comfortable, amazing, economical t-shirts, and they also have bundles. And I've got a bundle for myself, a t-shirt, a bundle of 5 t-shirts, and they're all really amazing. The colors are nice. That'll be all. Just a recommendation if you'd like to wear them. It's completely up to you. Thank you for watching the video. Signing off as Zaid Hassan, and hope to see you soon in another video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.